Right, what's going on everyone? Mr. Bluestar96 here and welcome back to another video. This is the HW or Hot Wheels HW K.I.T.T Concept. It's actually car, but I didn't actually realise that. It's the Hot Wheels screen time. That's the back of the packaging. Pretty cool. I like the design on the cardboard. I do try and keep the name intact for this. Trying to open it, have to use a set of keys for it just to go in like that. So I put the keys down and I use my fingers. I like the little orange detail in the front, silver and black, or black and silver. Nice looking wheels, nice rear tail lights, pretty nice top. On the very front it does say car, underneath it says HW K.I.T.T Concept and all the legal stuff. So there's that one. That's the first one car I got, and then there's this one, which is the 1984 Mustang SVO. HW the 80s. It says 2 of 10. Nice artwork on the box. Again, didn't actually break the name, which I'm really happy about. Then keys, do a little bit, then I can get my finger in there and open it like that. It does look pretty cool. Nice design on it, nice silver with black and orange details. 84 Mustang SVO. This is the Fox body style. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.